In this video I'm going to fit some worktop edging. This video does not show how to cut the worktop. That is covered in another video which I'll link to in the description. Once a worktop has been cut, it will leave an exposed edge. This needs covering with something to make it look neater. You can get some profiled pieces of metal, normally aluminium, that you can simply screw to the end, but worktop edging looks neater and more professional. If you do choose to fit the aluminium end caps, it's essential that you seal the worktop first using exterior grade wood glue. I had to install about 4 of these worktop edging strips, which were supplied with the kitchen worktops. These are slightly wider than the depth of the worktop, and the edging normally comes in rolls. In this video I'll just show how to install one of the edging strips. If you have never done this before, I would highly recommend practicing with an offcut and a spare piece of edging strip. You're going to need a decent contact adhesive for gluing these onto the worktop. I recommend Evo Stick Impact Adhesive. I would also wear disposable gloves when doing this job. You also get a spreader with the adhesive, which is useful. Ensure the worktop is clean and dust free, then apply a piece of masking tape along the top. This is in case any excess glue gets onto the worktop, as it is really difficult to remove. Now apply a thin, even coat of the adhesive to the worktop, ensuring the adhesive is spread out well and that no bits are missed. Once you've applied the adhesive, you can remove the masking tape. Now get a piece of the edging strip and cut it just longer than the width of the worktop. Because this has been rolled up, it will naturally try to coil back up, so tape it down to a piece of scrap cardboard or chipboard, etc. Ensure that it is taped so that the show face of the strip is facing down. Now apply a thin, even coat of the adhesive to the edging strip, again ensuring that no bits are missed. Once this coat is applied, wait until the adhesive is tacky, which will be at least 20 minutes. Now carefully pick up the edging strip and carefully apply it to the worktop. Ensuring that it is in the correct position. Once these two components touch, it is very difficult to separate them. Press the edging strip onto the worktop, then use a seam roller and roll the edging strip onto the worktop by pressing on firmly. If you don't have a seam roller, you can use a block of wood. Ensure that the edging strip is pressed hard onto the worktop and that no bits are missed. I would leave this at least till the next day before even attempting to trim the edging down. After a day's passed, you can now start to trim off the excess edging strip. You will need a really sharp knife for doing this. I started by trimming down each of the edges. I actually bought a special tool for trimming the edging on the worktop, which is a Stanley double edge laminate trimmer. This is excellent as it trims both the top and bottom at the same time and costs about £7. This is spring loaded and makes the job much easier. It will do worktops up to 25.4mm thick or 1 inch. It might take a couple of passes to get the edging cut correctly, but it is not difficult. I would also have a file handy just to file off any small rough bits. So basically that is it. Just take your time with it and don't rush, and it should be a nice and simple job. I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching it.